Hey there, Kay White with Girls in Finance. I'm going to continue with where I left off before on yesterday. And I was demonstrating how you can take AI art that you create and use it for other projects. And one of the things that I was working on is a 70s event. So I'm going to continue with showing how you can first create. In fact, I created the art yesterday. I created some images. So today I'm going to show you how I actually take the images and use them in a project. So let's go over to ChatGPT real quick. These are some of the images that I created with DALL-E 3. And some of these I really like. A couple of them actually. But then I have some more as well. So I might not use those because they all came out on one image, and I prefer, like, I like this, tan or orange pants here with the big hat and the wide sleeve. And I'm gonna scroll down though and show you some of the other ones that and how they came out. This is the image that I like here. I like how the guy is wearing the platform shoes, the white collar, the long white collar, and the bell bottom pants. And this guy with the sneaker, but it looks like he has a heel on it. But anyway, I like this image too, bell bottom pants and the bright colors that are reminiscent of the 70s. But then, oh, I love these two images here. They came out really well. And I showed you yesterday how some of the prompts that I got, I had asked ChatGPT to give me some prompts for some 70s hairstyles with outfits. And here's some of the results that I got back, going just through some of these. But anyway, I want to take some of these images now and see if I can add them to a design that I'm creating for a project that I'm working on for a 70s party. And all of these are really cute designs. And I think I already actually have them ready over there. So let's go over there and look. Look at these. These came out really well. I like those. Okay, so we're going to jump over. Oh, that's another one. I like that outfit too. Oh yeah, I remember back in the day. I was a little young for the 70s era, but still, I do remember the jackets kind of, oh, I guess they were, trying to think, of a suede jacket. Yeah, that's really, really cute. Okay, let's see. So, with that in mind, I'm going to jump over to Canva, and you can see I've added some of those images that I just showed you on my onto Canva, and I am gonna change out some of these because I like these a few of these images here. So I may just change out some of these images. I want to get quite a few of them on here, but I wanted to really demonstrate and show you that in order to use them, I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller. And in order to use some of the images, I'm gonna have to edit them first. So I've clicked on the image. I'm gonna edit image here, and I'm gonna remove the background. And so that one is ready. You can see that the background has been removed. So what I probably am going to end up doing is just kind of move these around a little bit. I might change the size of some of them because I have so many really good images now that I don't know. I'm trying to decide which ones I want to keep. I love the fro on that image. It looks really good. And I'm going to go back into the upload section, and I'm going to again put some of these images over here, and then I'll decide which ones I want to get rid of and exchange out. Okay, and I'm just gonna just move them all around, and I may trying to decide if I want to. Let's click on edit image. I'm trying to decide if I want to use how many of these actually that I want to use. See, I like that one. It looks pretty cool. Let me move her over here. And I'm just going to kind of move them all around and decide if I want to completely remove some of them. Let's see. I'd like, oh, take that. Okay, I like this image here. Move it. And then take it and grab it, move it up. And then I'm going to edit the image, take the background off of this image. So remove her here. And again, I'm gonna add as many as I can possibly get over here, and then I'll decide if I want to take some off. Like I love, love, love this image. This is so cool. I'm gonna take it, and let's see if we can remove the background on this one. And I'm moving a little fast, but I know I've demonstrated this before. If you click on the image and you go here into edit image, and then you click on background remover right here to take that full background off, as I've already demonstrated. And so now I'm just reducing the size and kind of moving these around. And so let's go back on the upload, find another one. I'm trying to find something a little bit unique. Okay, let's see. And I don't have any guys. I don't have too many guys, I should say. So let's do this. Let's try to see if we can capture both of these guys here, and we'll add them in as well. Actually, I do have some guys that are already over here, and they actually look pretty good. But I like um, both of these with the bright colors. Let me see if I have any with bright colors. Yeah, I do. I might replace the ones that I have with these two. So I'm going to click on edit image, and I'm going to hit background remover. First I'm taking the background off, and then I'm going to move this over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm trying to find somewhere. Okay, I'll just leave it right here, but I want you to see how I'm actually going to erase. So we have this tool called the Magic Eraser. I'm going to enlarge it and then just use it to erase. All I need to do is brush over the image that I want to erase, and it's going to be the female. I have so many female images that are representative of the 70s, and so I'm just going to remove this one and keep the guy in the middle there. See, I like that, how it took the other two off and it just left him. I'll put him somewhere. I'll put him there. And then you can take that same image again. Let's go back to upload. I'm going to take that same image again. And this time it's going to be real easy because I'm going to remove again. But this time it's going to be the other two. I will remove, let's see. We're gonna first remove the background. There we go. See how quickly it removed the background? And now we're gonna go ahead. I want to keep the one on the end this time. So again, because we have so many females, I'm gonna remove the female off. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep the guy in the on the end. Let's try to save him. Yeah. Okay, so I think that is pretty much everything that I need. I have so many images over here that, I'll go ahead and I'll include this too. I want to have a diverse group of people, so we'll go ahead and we'll just include this image as well. And I'll have to determine if these images reflect what I need in terms of the clothing that they're wearing, because this is like a 70s party. So I gotta decide which one of these images best represent the 70s era and the clothing that was being worn during that time. I'm simply putting this one on a white background so that I can use it. Okay, so there we have it. I think I have a good mix of images and different clothing and styles. Some of these I'll probably remove because I just have too many. Like, don't need that. I'm gonna remove this guy over. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's the one that I just did. I'm gonna just kind of move that over to there. Yeah, move him over and see if I want to use him. And there's one more image of a girl that I might use. I like this one because I remember when beads were just really, really, really popular back in the 70s. And she's got on her beaded hair. She's wearing, I should say, her beaded hairstyle. And then she has on this real psychedelic outfit. So I'm gonna put her there. And all I'll do next is just kind of move these around. I'm trying to decide which ones I'm going to keep, which will go, what do I like. I kind of like a lot of these, so it's going to be hard for me to decide. But I have these pretty close up. I'm going to actually make them a little bit smaller so you can kind of see how the full flyer, at the top of the flyer, I am kind of trying actually to demonstrate the 70s attire and clothing, but at the bottom I'm showing some of the other events that are taking place the following day. But I'm just going to review what I have and how many images I have and decide if I want to change out some of these. Um, and so I'm going to take a look at that, and I won't keep you on tonight. I wanted to just kind of demonstrate the process of what happens when you are creating art for use for another purpose. Here I'm just making a flyer. And so I've taken the art that I created on ChatGPT and I brought it over into Canva, where I can work with it and fine tune it and get exactly what I want as in terms of images. I hope this has been helpful. This is just a quick video to show you the process of what I like to do when I'm creating art and using it for some other purpose, and I'm using it to create projects and using it for tasks that I have. And I believe that's it. That's what I'm going to show you tonight. You take care. Have a great weekend, and I will see you again tomorrow for another short, quick video. And this has been actually day 19 of our 31 days of going live. And that's it for today. It's been Kay White with Girls in Finance.